Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, I wanted a burger, but I didn't want just a regular old burger, and specifically I wanted a chicken burger. So I decided to make up these Mediterranean chicken burgers, and they have some feta in them, some spinach, some seasoning. They came out absolutely incredible, and they're really easy to make, and I think you're going to love them, so let me show you how to do it. And today, guys, I am going to process my own chicken, simply by grabbing up a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and toss them into the old Magical's food processor here. Now we'll slip the lid on, and I gotta start this at about 1 on the chopper blade and work my way up. Now we want it about something like this. To me, this is just about perfect. You know, you can chop it a little more, but I don't want it too mushy. So we'll just go ahead and throw this beautifully processed chicken into a bowl. This looks good. So I'm going to begin here, guys, by grabbing up some baby spinach, and we're going to chop this up. You want it fairly fine, because we are making burgers here. Just something like this. Want about a cup of this. Now we'll throw this in. Like I say, we don't want it too chopped up, because we want that shining through on the burgers. Then I'm going to grab up our red bell pepper and do a slice. And we'll just kind of chop this up. And we'll chop this a little bit on the fine side because we don't want those burgers breaking up on us. Now we'll go ahead and throw the red bell pepper in. This is beginning to look colorful and wonderful already, guys. Couple of cloves of the old chopped garlic. You know me, I just have to have my garlic. A third of a cup of panko breadcrumbs. This is to bind things together. You don't have to use panko, you can use regular, but I like the panko. 2 teaspoons of oregano or oregano, however you want to say it. Yep, fresh, go ahead and use it too. Of course, some of the old saltation or salt. It's up to you, but I'd say, half a teaspoon. And my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. And again, about a teaspoon or 2 of this, actually. But it depends on you. Next up, what I'm going to do is grab up a good chunk of feta here. Maybe something like that. And go ahead and crumble this in. All in all, it's going to be about a third of a cup, something like that. So you can put as much or as little as you want in, but I just love feta cheese. Now I'm going to grab up a fresh lemon and kind of give it the roly-poly just to loosen things up here. And we'll give it a slice in half. And we'll squeeze a bit of that lemon in, I'd say about a teaspoon or so, just for that acidity and that pop of freshness. Then we're just going to go ahead and mix all of this up, guys. And I should mention, too, you can put whatever seasoning you like in here. You can put a bit of Italian seasoning or something in there, too. Surprised I didn't put that in, but that would be good as well. But, even the smell of this right now is incredible. I think these burgers are going to be super. Next up, guys, I'm going to grab up a good handful of that mixture. Something like this. That looks good. And we're going to form it into a patty. Now, I'm using a template here, but, you can go ahead and do it by hand. That works just as well. I just want a nice, perfect burger here, but oh my goodness, look at those colors in there. Until we get a burger, something like this. Doesn't this look fantastic? I'll just go ahead and set this aside in a plate and finish doing my burgers. Next up, guys, I got my indoor grill all heated up because it's raining outside, so I'm just going to spray this up with some spray, so make sure nothing sticks. And we'll go ahead and flip the burgers on the grill. Now I'm just going to gently put this top down. And we'll just wait for them to cook. Now to build our burger, I'm going to add some sauce to the bottom of my wonderfully toasted bun here. And you can use tzatziki, whatever you like. And some romaine lettuce. After a few minutes on the grill, guys, don't these look absolutely incredible? And of course you can do them outdoors too. So I'm just going to go ahead and lift this baby off of here. And look at this. Wow, one of the best burgers I have ever seen. Slip this onto our bun. Now, some onion. You could use a red onion too. Then a slab of nice, juicy tomato. Now what I'm going to do is double this up and put another patty over the top. And there you have it, my friends. Our simply delicious, easy to make Mediterranean chicken burger patties. You're going to love these. Okay, guys, this is about the only way I know how to eat this is grab up some of this with a fork. Oh, and just look at this. All those trimmings and stuff inside. Oh, this looks good. And the burgers look really done well. Oh, and these burgers look really, really perfect to me. Oh, I think they're going to be super, super good. And just look at the little bits of feta on there and the bell pepper and the spinach. All right, down the old hatch. Let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is fantastic. This is the best chicken burger I've ever had. A lot going on there. The lettuce, the feta, the spinach, the seasoning. But they're juicy and they're done to perfection. They're absolutely, I mean it, I'm not lying to you, the best burger I've ever had. You got to make these up. So, and if you do, leave us a comment because I love reading them. Subscribe because it's free. And give us a like. It does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And I'm going to have more because these are fantastic. How to make them.